guys, welcome back to the channel. This is gonna be an interesting video. I'm about to go pick up my friend. She wants to learn how to drive stick, and she's gonna be doing it in a 1972 Toyota Celica. I'm hoping she's not gonna burn up the clutch, get in an accident or something, but we're just gonna go to a little parking lot and see what happens. What I'm gonna do is just leave the camera going and just pretend like it's not on, and then we'll be able to get like some good behind the scenes footage. So just pushing that one on the left all the way, keep going. Okay, so that's all the way in.
Can I move up the seat or no?
Are you serious?
Okay, I think it's fine.
No, we can move it up.
No, it's good. It's just like extend.
Yeah.
Okay.
Is that good, you think? So you gotta let it out like super slow. So like that's all the way in, right? And then put it into first through that hand. Nope, that's not first.
This is first.
But hold on, you gotta, that's first. So here. So you go like that, and that means it's in neutral. So that's no gear. Like we could just coast right now, okay?
Mm-hmm.
So you go like that, and then you go over and up. So that's first, and now you're gonna let out super slow. And oh no, he just stalled the car. So you gotta like go really slow, and then right about at this point you're gonna give it just a teensy bit
of gas.
Yeah, and then see how slow you can let it out. It's gotta be like a smooth motion.
And then I go,
Yeah, that was good, yeah.
Okay, I stalled it.
You stalled it, that's okay. More gas, perfect. So you gotta like feel when it'll start to move a little bit, but then you gotta give it a little more gas. Okay, so give it gas.
Yeah, the gas.
Okay.
Clutch in.
Let off the gas. Yep,
Boom. Let
off the clutch. Keep on letting off, and more gas. Perfect.
Oh.
Fuck. More gas, let off the gas, clutch in, second, let off, perfect. Damn, she's got it.
Great journey. We'll love to do it again next Sunday if the car is okay. He says I broke it, but like you watched it, we're gonna witness when it happened.
I mean, it wasn't like this when I was driving it, and then when I got back in the driver's seat, things felt a little different, so I don't know what that means.
Thanks for really joining our vlog, and
we're gonna start doing more vlogs soon, so stay tuned. Make sure you hit that subscribe button.
Is this going on YouTube? Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Hit that like, heart, subscribe button, and oh my gosh. Is this going right now?
No. But we have
There's
to film it.
There's a red light going. Is that out?
Because I don't smash bugs. Why is there so many bugs in here all of a sudden?
I cannot buckle.
It's not that difficult.
Okay, run that video back because that was a struggle bus.
Okay.
Stall a lot. How long did it take you to master it? Like a
first try. Brake. Jesus. Oh my God! I thought we were gonna go into the tree. Woo!
Well, I don't think the camera could even hear me with how loud this engine is.
Go.
Okay.
Let's go. Were you not in a
Yeah,
gear?
no, I was in neutral. I thought we were doing practice.
No, I thought you were going.
Oh no, I thought we were doing
Oh,
practice.
see, I thought you were in gear. Okay.
No. Okay.
Okay.
Hit the subscribe button. Give this a thumbs up
Yeah.
and subscribe.
No, you said that already.
Oh.